Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shalini and this is Hari.
Hi.
And my channel's name is That Brown
One
Curvy
curvy
Girl.
girl.
So please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the previous vlog. So just a normal vlog, and yeah, the usual monthly time. So with hot water bag and the painkiller as usual. So yeah, I wouldn't be sharing the name of the tablet that I have, and yes, so that's why um it's a normal day back from work. Came a bit early, and Hari has just come back. So how was your day?
Day just like normal working day. Nothing special for a person. I mean, who is going for a job.
क्या आपने कुछ स्पेशल किया आज?
हाँ आज मेरी वाइफ के लिए मैं आज जल्दी निकला ऑफिस से सो दैट
बट दैट डिडंट हेल्प क्योंकि इतना ट्रैफिक था कि लेट ही पहुंचे.
लेट
ऑलमोस्ट दोनों सेम ही टाइम पे
सेम ही टाइम
पहुंचे.
पे पहुंचे.
एंड एज यूजुअल सो माइलो हैज टेकन ओवर. ये देखो, ये इसका यूजुअल है. जो भी मतलब बेड पे अगर वॉशरूम के लिए भी उठता है तो ही टेक्स ओवर द प्लेस, ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता है. सो यस, सो कमिंग बैक टू दैट. सो today we'll just share a bit about Milo. So Milo is now 8 years.
7 years.
7 years, yeah. So we got him like 1 year down to into our marriage. And so हम पलावा, लोधा पलावा में रहते हैं. एंड एट दैट टाइम वी वर स्टेइंग इन डोंबिवली ईस्ट, नहीं सॉरी वेस्ट. एंड रात को ऐसे ही मन किया कि हमको मैगी खाना चाहिए. तो वी वेंट इन सर्च. उस टाइम पे स्कूटी थी, तो हम दोनों स्कूटी में बैठ के डोंबिवली स्टेशन चले गए और मैगी सर्च कर रहे थे. मैगी तो मिला नहीं. लेकिन स्टेशन पे वो जो ब्रिज पे रात को उत्तपम और और क्या बनाते हैं, हाँ, वड़ा और ऑमलेट और ये सब मिलता है. तो उसमें से हमने कुछ खाया. तो हरी लेने गया था तो ये सब. तो मैं बाइक में नीचे खड़ी थी एंड जस्ट आई सॉ सम समथिंग मूविंग नियर टू द प्लेटफॉर्म बाहर से ही. एंड क्यूट गाय जस्ट ऐसे चल के गया. एंड देन सो ही वाज लिम्पिंग. So I felt like the moment Hari came back, I said कि नहीं, like we should do something. We can't leave him like that. So let's just take him home and see मतलब what can we do, है ना? That's what happened.
And now he is more than a part of our life.
He's the boss at
He's
home.
the boss at home. We are paying guests. I mean, it's his
Yes.
house.
So he is just like our child. Like he's also bonded us through this 8 years of marriage, like the most essential part. So he's seen everything, मतलब लड़ाई झगड़ा.
अगर जबान रहेगी तो फिर बाद में
I hope वो कभी ना हो, because that is going to be a killer. He'll reveal so many secrets that बस खत्म. So I think yeah, we with Milo coming in, हमारा मतलब we kind of prospered also well. He मतलब wherever whatever we wanted in terms of our life as such kept moving forward. Moved from a rented place to our own place. And yeah, so that way he is a blessing and we are very happy to be pet parents.
And we are blessing, and also he is very demanding. So
Yes.
whatever he wants, he takes it.
Yeah, I think that is because we have allowed him to become that way. मतलब and at my in-laws place तो he is like extremely demanding. वहाँ पे तो he is given extra. मतलब for Milo they'll end up doing anything. My mother-in-law was super scared of dogs. Like when we took Milo for the first time, she actually ran into the bedroom. She said nahi chahiye, and she was so scared. And today if I see, she's like, matlab it's a 360 degree for her. Like हम दोनों जाए कि नहीं जाए, but Milo तो
Milo
has to
to
come.
come.
So Milo is like for her every day call पे and everything. Whenever she speaks to Hari, वो एक ही क्वेश्चन रहता है, माइलो कहाँ है, माइलो ने खाना खाया कि नहीं, माइलो सो रहा है कि नहीं. So now that is the main this thing.
He
So
is the center of attraction. He has been the center of
yes,
attraction.
yes, but
Oh.
he is extremely possessive. तो वो भी बताना जरूरी है that
If only with us. So I mean, my parents and with us. If any dogs come near us and we start petting them, he is going to pick up a fight and he is going to. I mean, I wish. I mean, that has not happened. He would have killed that whatever be
नहीं
the
नहीं,
dog.
killed is too ugly a
Ugly
term.
term, but
हाँ,
I
उसको
mean,
मतलब रुला देता है वो.
हम लोग बोलते हैं ना मार ही डालेगा करके,
हाँ,
मतलब वो
वैसे,
सेंस में,
हाँ.
not in the real sense.
मतलब
Real what he will do, he will just bark and he will stand behind us.
Yes,
Now
yes.
you take care.
Yeah. So that also he has done, where he has done all that nonsense and just come and sat like he has done nothing. So we have faced things on that also. He has scared many kids. मतलब when we are around, he is extremely possessive, especially with Hari. मतलब हरी इज लाइक, मतलब वो तो परछाई जैसा, वेर एवर हरी विल गो इन द हाउस ही विल कीप फॉलोइंग हरी. तो मेरे साथ इट्स अ मोर ऑफ यू नो हाउ विथ मदर्स दिल थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट विक्ट है, तो इसके लिए इतना ज्यादा ये नहीं है. बट again we've got, you know, we try to get him separate bed, सब ट्राई किया,
कुछ नहीं.
बट को कुछ नहीं. he is wanting sofa में, तो he is the one who is
Wherever
sit.
he goes with at my parents' place or his boarding, he will directly jump to bed or sofa.
yes yes and मतलब that is like उसका हक है वो.
Bed.
बेड पे तो he needs lot of space. We had to get a bigger bed because जगह कम पड़ रहा था. he keep going clockwise and yeah, he
Of late, we have been now shifted from bed to the floor just for the sake of change. And
Yeah.
here also nothing changed. So now he is occupying the bed or wherever we put.
yes yes so he is like, जैसे ही हम दोनों में से कोई एक उठेगा, he'll go and grab that place. मतलब वो बैठ जाएगा. and look at him, मतलब अभी also he is like, look at him.
He has
Milo,
hogged and he is sleeping.
Milo, chalo, where's your belt? Where's your belt? So that's Milo. Not at all camera friendly. He will give all kind of looks, but yeah, so I think it's matlab, the biggest blessing in our life. And yeah, so he is very therapeutic also. Therapeutic.
Therapeutic dog.
Yeah, therapeutic dog, because you know, whatever negativity or if you're feeling low and all that, no, he'll come and just sit next to you, and that is enough. He's matlab, not very demanding on those days, like especially when I'm down, and you know, during that week of the month, he is very considerate. बहुत ही एहसान करता है. He doesn't trouble me at all.
Provided he gets his food.
Yes, yes. So we have tried everything. I think from the biggest brand to the cheapest brand, but he is like
Very specific.
yeah, wet food, pedigree ka wet, you know, chicken chunks is something staple.
And just like any human being, he don't want anything hard.
Yes,
It
he
has
wants
to-
all gulp karna
Gulp.
easy. So yeah, apart from that, curd rice kabhi kabar. But when I give curd rice, I have to feed him. Literally hold his mouth and feed him. So yeah, that is there. And then chicken rice also.
chicken
So non-veg घर पे बनता है, अलग बर्तन है, सब ये सब मतलब it is all kept separate. And yeah, so mainly he eats pedigree wet
Pedigree.
food. And yeah, so dry food he will eat, but then he'll vomit, so that is another
That is
work.
another work.
Yeah, because he'll just swallow. He's used to swallowing it, you know, since the beginning. And yeah, so that's all that we wanted to share in this vlog today.
Yes.
So all about Milo, and please do like, share, and subscribe so we can continue sharing more
Sharing
about
more
our
about
life.
life.
Yeah, so that's Hari,
And that's
and,
Shalini.
and we're signing off. Have a nice day,
Okay.
guys. Bye bye.
Bye.